Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Drake, and I'm here to install my first modification to my gorgeous Gen 3 Raptor here. I'll be putting a LED taillight bar right there. I'm gonna attempt to hardwire it into the 7-pin trailer connector. So I'm gonna take you guys along and show you the process. So first thing I want to do is I'm actually going to lower the spare tire, which I found. We have a handy dandy kit in the second row, which gives you these attachments. You'll have to put it through this hole. And it's hard to see, but there is a little white looking funnel down there, and you'll have to use the attachments, put them together, and that's how you'll lower the spare tire. You'll be able to access the 7-pin connector a lot easier. So I'll do that and I'll get back to you. So I found out that with anything newer than like a 2020, you cannot use your 7-pin trailer connector. Most of the vehicles have what they call a too sophisticated of like electrical components that it will not let the light bar modifications work properly. They'll get power, but they won't have the features that they normally use. So on the driver's side, use the 10 position for your running light, the first pin position for your brake / left turn signal, the 4th pin position for your reverse, and then the 3rd pin is your ground wire. And then you use the first pin on the right side for your right turn. So I ended up hardwiring into the taillights themselves. They're super easy. I'll go ahead and show you. It's just a, what is this, an 8mm, you know, here, and just kind of pops out. So go ahead and do that real fast. It comes out. There's 2 pins. Just kind of pops out like that. I know I've already kind of taped it up a little, but this is what I added in. So this standalone white was my ground for the light bar. Then, or no, this white was the ground, the standalone was reverse, brown is running, and then the yellow was the left turn. And I just matched them up with those wires that I showed you earlier with these, retaped it all, you know, as simple as that. And then I did the green wire on the right side. Also, there was this little piece that it was right here. This little 2 bolts. I believe they are 15mm. You'll have to take this piece off to be able to get the light bar to fit. So let me show you. Going up. Good truck. But you can kind of see the holes right there and there. Yeah, that's what the light bar looks like from down here. Probably can't see, but you know, I just kind of ran the wire up through here. There's a little lip that will keep it out of, you know, direct rain and stuff, but you can also get some plastic tubing if you want. I'll probably get that eventually, but yeah. So with the Gen 3 Raptors, you'll have to hardwire them into the taillights themselves. It's the only way I've got it to work, which on the OPT7 website they said does not work with Raptor or Rangers from 21 to 23, but as I'm about to show you, it does work. So works just as it's supposed to. Good, because I couldn't see anything. So yeah, that is the triple red line tailgate light bar from OPT7. Once I figured out the wire colors, honestly, it was very simple and straightforward. So yeah, try to get some nighttime shots of it later on today.